Welcome to Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Discover the breathtaking city view that blends modern skyscrapers with historical architecture. As you explore, you'll find the vibrant Mekong River, a lifeline that flows through the city, offering stunning scenery and a glimpse into daily life on the water. Ho Chi Minh City is not just about the views, it's about the people. The locals here are incredibly friendly and welcoming, always ready to share a smile or a story. Their warmth adds a unique charm to this bustling metropolis. Take a stroll through the city's lush landscapes, from the serene parks to the bustling streets lined with trees. Each corner of Ho Chi Minh City has its own story, waiting to be discovered. And of course, the food. Indulge in the rich and diverse culinary scene. From street food stalls offering delicious pho and banh mi to upscale restaurants serving exquisite Vietnamese dishes, the flavors here are unforgettable. Come and see for yourself the beautiful world of Ho Chi Minh City. Whether you're wandering through its vibrant streets, enjoying a peaceful moment by the Mekong River, or savoring the local cuisine, this city will leave you with lasting memories.